Hello everyone, welcome to Saurav Sir classes. Today we try to analyze the question number 40 of GATE 2026. This is a lengthy question of using of Laplace transform. जिसको Laplace transform आता है वही क्वेश्चन हैंडल कर सकता है और एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन करने में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता बिकॉज अगर लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म का हर एक फॉर्मूला हम लोग को याद रहेगा तो हम लोग बहुत फास्ट ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं बट एज अभी हम लोग इसको देखेंगे हम लोग कैसे इसको करेंगे तो अभी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा बट लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म जिसको अच्छे से फॉर्मूला याद रहेगा तो ये क्वेश्चन करने में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा सो गिवन delta t is a impulse time function. Okay, so this is the definition. And we know that the Laplace transform of delta x minus x0 is nothing but e to the power minus x0t. Okay, so this is the, sorry, this is not x0t, this is x0s. So, so given differential equation is 2y double dash plus y dash plus 2y equals to delta x minus 5. So taking Laplace transform both side. So taking Laplace transform both side, what we will get? We will get 2 into Laplace transform of, because Laplace transform is linear. So Laplace transform y double dash plus Laplace transform of y dash plus 2 L y. And according to the definition, this give e to the power minus 5p. Okay. So using the simple formula p square y bar p minus p y0 minus y dash 0. This is the formula of Laplace transform of double derivative of y plus L. This is p y bar p minus of y0 plus 2 y bar p equals to e to the power minus 5p. Okay. So 2p square y bar p. अब y0 y dash 0 का वैल्यू आप लोग को दिया जा रहा है तो यहाँ पर दिया गया है y0 is 0 and y dash 0 is 0. So this is so simple. So this is 0 minus 0 plus this cannot be here. Okay. Plus p y bar p minus 0 plus 2y bar p equals to e to the power minus 5p. So this can be written as, अब y बार p को हम लोग अगर कॉमन ले लेंगे तो आएगा 2p स्क्वायर प्लस p प्लस 2 y बार p इक्वल्स टू e to the power minus 5p. ओके ओके 2p स्क्वायर प्लस p प्लस ऑफ 2. ओके सो इसको हम लोग अगर 2 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो 2 कॉमन ले लेने से आएगा p स्क्वायर प्लस ऑफ p बाई 2 प्लस 1 y बार p. This is equals to e to the power minus 5. So p square प्लस p बाई 2 प्लस 1. इसको हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? p स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू p इंटू 1 बाई 4 प्लस 1 बाई 16 plus 1 minus 1 by 16. So this can be written as p plus of 1 by 4 whole square plus 15 by 16. So यहाँ पर हम लोग डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे. So this gives 2 into p plus of 1 by 4 whole square plus 15 by 16 into y bar p equals to e to the power minus 5p. So therefore y bar p can be written as e to the power minus 5p by 2 p plus of 1 by 4 whole square plus 5 bar. ओके सो हम लोग अब लैप्लास इनवर्स लेंगे पर पहले लैप्लास इनवर्स का इसका वैल्यू हम लोग निकालेंगे. सो लैप्लास इनवर्स ऑफ 1 by p plus of, we can say this is the number 1, p plus of 1 by 4 का whole square plus, this is not y by p, why I write this y by, this is, sorry, this is 15 by 16. Okay, so p plus of 1 by 4 plus 15 by 16. So this is can be written as, okay, L inverse 1 by p plus of 1 by 4 whole square plus root 15 by 4 whole square. And we know by the formula, this is nothing but 1 by root 15 by 4. This root is whole. Root 15 by 4 sine inverse. So, no, sine inverse not. As p plus of 1 by 4. So, this is e to the power minus 1 by 4 into t sine of 80. That means root over of, I think I made a mistake. This is root 15 by 4. That was right. Okay. So this is root 15 by 4. So root 15 by 4. And this is also root 15 by 4 t. Okay. So this is, so say this is gt. Okay. So from 1, so from 1 हम लोग को क्या मिलेगा? So y bar p. So अगर लैपलास इनवर्स अगर हम बोथ साइड में लेंगे, so from 1. So from 1, Laplace inverse y bar p is nothing but Laplace inverse of e to the power minus 5p by 2 into p plus of 1 by 4 whole square plus root 15 by 4 whole square. Okay. So 1 by 2 बाहर आ जाएगा. So e to the power minus 5p by p plus of 1 by 4 whole square plus root 15 by 4 whole square. And by the definition of Heaviside step function, we know that this will give, we know that this will give 1 by 2 g of t minus 5 and h of t minus 5, where g t is Laplace inverse of this. So this is from the definition of Heaviside step function. So this is yt equals to this, because L inverse y by p is yt. This is yt. And we know that h of t minus 5 equal to 1 for t greater than 5. Okay. So we get yt equals to 1 by 2 g of t minus 5. gt क्या है? gt is this 1 by, so हम लोग अच्छे से gt लिखेंगे. So gt is 4 by root 15 e to the power minus 1 by 4, e to the power minus 1 by 4 t minus 5 into sine root 15 by 4 t minus 5. Now we take t greater than equals to 5. Okay. Now हम लोग को बोला गया है find the value of y, which one of the find the value of y10. So okay, y10 का value हम लोग निकालेंगे. So y10, because 10 is greater than 5, तो हम लोग का इसका value निकाल सकते हैं. So this 2 is cancelled. This gives 2 by root 15 e to the power minus 1 by 4 into 5 sine root 15 by 4 into 5. So our answer is 2 by root 15 e to the power minus 5 by 4 sine 5 root 15 by 4. So 2 by root 15 e to the power minus 5 by 4 sine 5 root 15 by 4. So sine 5 root 15 by 4 e to the power minus 5 by 4. So option B is true option. So this is the lengthy Laplace transform problem. सो अगर आपको लैपलेस ट्रांसफॉर्म का फॉर्मूला पता रहेगा तो ये सब प्रॉब्लम बहुत इजीली हम लोग सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो द फाइनल आंसर इज 2 by root 15. हम लोग मिला लेते हैं एक बार 2 by root. यस. सो द ऑप्शन इज बी इज ट्रू. दिस इज द आंसर. थैंक यू.